Not think of yourself as being fooled or oppressed or wronged. Work hard, love Islam, be Islam, live Islam, sleep Islam, drink Islam, stand in Islam with the flag up high. La ilaha illallah. Let us be Islam Muslims when we die. Let us be ready for this day. Let us not be like Harun Rashid. Let us not be like people who did not prepare themselves. You know, we work hard every day, every night, every day, every night. What are we doing? Work, yes, work is worship. But many of us, our whole life is work. Our life from morning to night, 7 days a week. Bro, come to the lesson. I've got work. That's the excuse. We should live Islam. We should live our lives around Islam, not Islam around our lives. Meaning around our work, our worldly life. Islam should be on top. It is the pinnacle. It is the crest, the highest. It is the summit. It's a pivot. And everything rotates around it. Not it rotating around anything else. That way, you make sure your agenda is, I've got a lesson. Oh, I cannot work, I've got a lesson. I cannot sleep, I've got a lesson. I cannot eat, I'm fasting. I cannot drink, I'm fasting. That's how you should be doing it. Working your agenda. But today, it is the opposite. We are not doing this. We are not preparing ourselves. We have not bought this ticket, which is ticket of death, the one-way ticket yet. But when you buy this ticket, the one-way ticket, no return, one way, it's for free. Doesn't cost any money. This ticket is for free. Every single one has it. You have this ticket in your pocket now. Every single one of us is carrying a ticket at the moment. A one-way ticket. Not one single question. But we want this ticket to be first class. We want this ticket to be business class, the highest of class. Not economy or middle class. No? But the way to make it first class, business class, is to prepare, to work hard, to sacrifice. For tomorrow we are going to enter that little black hole. Tomorrow we are going to enter that little black hole with no electricity in it, no telephone in it, no mother, father, brother, sister, wife, husband, nephew, niece, grandma, grandpa, uncle and aunt. No one at all. No food, no drink, no dinners, no means of comfort. Darkness surrounds you, angels confront you, actions unfolded. This is tomorrow. That grave will be either a garden of paradise or a hole in the hellfire. It will be the first stage of the hereafter, the life of the interspace, the life of the grave. If you are saved from it, what comes after it is much, much, much better, much easier. If you are not saved from it, Allahu musta'an, what comes after it? It is apparent, brothers and sisters, that the best protection against the punishment of the grave is to have the true belief in Allah Ta'ala, the true tawheed, the true recognition of Allah Ta'ala, and avoid major sins. If you've got this, alhamdulillah, by the will of the Almighty Lord, you will not be punished in the grave. There are other specific actions mentioned in the authentic sunnah that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam informed us of, that likewise will protect you from the punishment of the grave. They are martyrdom on the battlefield, standing guard in the way of Allah Ta'ala. They are dying because of an abdominal disease. We cite in Surah Tabarak, Surah Al-Mulk, and dying on Fridays.